So this is what we're working on. Andy! Dogs running around. Anyway, this troller motor has a problem with the cable used to come in this direction for the gear shift over here, and we get pinched up against the back of the boat because it's not very far away. So we've changed the direction of the cable now, so the cable comes in from this direction, attaches onto this, and that pulls on the gear shift, and that pulls it forward and in reverse. So then the cable goes that direction towards the other motors instead of, and then when you tilt the motor up to run, it doesn't pinch it like it used to. It used to pinch, it used to push this cable up against the back of the boat, and it messed it up. So just a little linkage that bolts to the old bracket there. That one. So that's the fishing boat, or the ski boat, and the bass boat. Plenty of boats.